Good afternoon again, Watauga. Today is Friday, the 8th of May, 2020, and we have the first week of Reopen Watauga, or as the governor prefers to call it, Reopen Texas, under our belts. It's good to see us moving forward, but it does feel a little bit strange. So before we get too far into this, let's go over the newest numbers from Tarrant County Public Health Department. Tarrant County has had 3,127 cases, 171 new cases today, 95 deaths, and there have been 735 recoveries. Watauga's numbers are up again this week. We now stand at 20 cases with 6 recoveries. And as I've stated before, we expect those numbers to rise due to the increased testing. Today, we take another step toward the new normal. Barbershops, hair salons, and nail salons top the list of what's opening. As with other businesses, they too have restrictions. The governor has a publication called Open Texas, which gives very detailed guidance for individuals as well as specific types of businesses. For your own safety, I strongly suggest you become familiar with this. Other retail businesses and restaurants remain the same at 25% occupancy. We anticipate the governor increasing that to 50% occupancy sometime around mid-May. As for the city of Watauga, starting May 11th, we will reopen City Hall, Public Works, the police department, and the animal shelter to the public. The library will begin curbside checkout. Social distancing and masks will be required inside all facilities. Also on May 11th, we will hold our first workshop and city council meeting in chambers since the pandemic started, and it will be open to the public. Due to social distancing restrictions, seating will be limited, so get here early. Those unable to attend but wishing to speak at either the public testimony or the public comment sections may submit their questions in writing to be read into the record. Instructions on how to do this are listed on the agenda packet. And as always, the meeting will be live streamed. This will also be the first meeting since the new electronic upgrade has been installed, and we're really looking forward to using the new system. On May 13th at 10 a.m., we will be hosting our first virtual town hall video conference on the COVID-19 pandemic for the general public. You must register and submit your questions prior to the meeting. Again, this is for COVID-19 only. We will also be hosting another virtual town hall the following week, an exact date and time to be announced, to cover all other topics. So register, get your questions in early, and we look forward to seeing or hearing from you then. Again, let me remind you that we are not out of the woods yet. Please continue to follow all the recommended guidelines on social distancing, masks, gloves, and hygiene, as well as any other restrictions our local businesses may require. In closing, I can't thank everybody enough for all the support and understanding. I especially want to thank our local businesses for following all the executive orders and not putting Watauga in the headlines like some of our neighboring cities have done. We know it's been difficult, and we thank you. As we continue to open more and more, please don't forget your family, friends, and neighbors. It's what makes Watauga a great place to live. Thank you.